Hello friends, today I want to do the unboxing of keyboard, which is multi-device keyboard from Logitech, and this is K380 model, but there are two kinds of this keyboard. As one is that it's only for Mac, and this one is for Mac and also for Windows, and it also accept all their software, like it's for Apple, iPad or iPhone, iOS 5 or later, Android tablet or smartphone, Android 3.2 or later, or PC Windows 7 or later, and Mac OS 10.11 or later, Apple TV and Chrome OS. This keyboard is also great for computers or other devices, because it can accept 3 devices at once. So that's why I wanted to get it, because I have iPhone and MacBook and also Windows PC. So I open it, maybe here. So this is how it looks. Here I've got it at Best Buy. So let's open it. Guys, here it was 30 bucks, and the one that is only for MacBook or Apple was 40 bucks. So let's open it. Ta-da! Nice. So here is some info, and here is the keyboard. Looks like this. Thumbnail. Let's open it. It kind of is heavy. So I've got it in color gray, and it looks like this. It's looking like almost black. And here it's some paper that it can be 3 seconds. Here are 3 buttons, and you can switch between the devices. Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, Bluetooth 3. You have to hold them 3 seconds, and I guess then it's fine. Aha, so you have to hold first device, 1 second, and third. So I guess you have to remember which computer is which to be, to be sure which one is which. And it's on batteries AA, I think. Let's see how to open it. It's on 2 alkaline batteries AAA, which looks like this. So I just remove this paper and close this lid. And now see dials here. It has also turn off and turn on button, I think. See, and then this is green. I see, but it's not all the time green, just for the second. So I will see if it connects with my iMac. Yeah, iMac. So here is this. So I hold the button 3 seconds. And let's see if something show up. Oh, it show up here. So I click connect. Not connected, how come? Ah, connected. Ah, it's working. Actually, it's nice. I like it. The keyboard is nice. Better than this one. I think this one is loud and so bulky. This one is so gentle and fast responsive. Okay, so it's working, but let me finish this thing here, somewhere it was. I will finish this thing. And then asking about which kind to choose, so I will choose first option. And if you were wondering, this keyboard at the same time working, so it's good. Then I will connect it with Windows, maybe. So I turned on Bluetooth in my computer, and now I hold this one 3 seconds. I had to put option add another device, so I put keyboard and it found it, so now it's connecting. Enter. Okay, connected. So let's see. Okay, it's connected. So now let's see here in Google if it's typing. Yeah, it's typing. So multi-device working. That's nice. But now let's check if that switching between is easy. So I press this one. And now let's see if here can be typed. Yeah, still. And let's see if it's working. Let's press this one again. And now I try. Yeah, I'm not working. And here, I mean this one. Yeah, working. So it's working, this thing. Now I pressed. And it's working again, but you have to wait like 1 second. And now let's see Windows again. Yeah, Windows working. Let's go and see how you type on it. Yeah, it's easy, even easier than on that other one. So yeah, that's my unboxing of this Logitech K380 keyboard. It's really great deal for this device for only 30 bucks. And here it has engraved K380. And I recommend this model, which is on Best Buy. I will link down below, as this model also works on Windows computers. And the newer model, the same model but for $40, it works only on iMac. That's why I want this cheaper one. and in this more expensive I have in color white and in pink. So I would prefer pink color, but I wanted it working it on Windows too. So yeah, that's will be improvement. Okay, that's all what I wanted to show you today. Hope you enjoy such unboxings. If you do, then give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. And hit notification bell to be notified when I upload. Okay, so see you in the next one. Bye.